guys, it's Mari and I'm here today with a haul from scrapbooknerd.com online shop, and I have a very fun box of goodies here to share with you. So I am just going to put this box off to the side here, and I am going to show you all of the goodies that I have purchased. So first of all, I have the alcohol ink storage tin from Ranger, and I'm really excited about this. Gorgeous little Tim Holtz box that will hold my alcohol inks. So this has got the little plastic sections in this one side, and then I did buy some metallic mixatives from the shop. Sorry about the noise. I will just open this up quickly and show you how these fit in here. So this is, actually this is slate, and you can see how that fits in there so nicely. And this is just going to be a really nice place for me to store all of my alcohol inks. I've just recently been trying to build up the different colors and so on that I have of alcohol inks, so I'm really excited to get this storage container, and this is going to be super helpful for storing all of the different alcohol inks that I have in my craft room. So that is fantastic. And next I have also the detail blending tools from Ranger, and these have got the small ends on them, and there's a little applicator on each end, and so you can get into tiny little areas with your inks as you're working on your different projects. So I thought these would be really great for card making. You can just see how nice and small that is. Perfect for small little areas. So I love those. Those are fantastic for all of the little detail areas with your different mediums. And I also picked up the micro dot glue dots. So you can see, you can actually see on the lid there how tiny they are. So they're just a really nice small size for sequins or any other little tiny bits and pieces that you want to add adhesive to. Then I also have a bunch of the Prima products that are recent releases, and I'll show you the traveler's journal that I have here first. I have got this gorgeous vintage floral journal, which I absolutely love. As soon as I saw this, I knew that that would be something that I would really want. And I'm really excited to open this. First of all, the cover is so gorgeous. I think I'm going to have to dedicate this to something very special. Isn't that so beautiful? Oh my gosh, I just love it. Oh, so fun, guys. Look at all the little pockets. Ooh, I really love it. I knew that I would really like this when I saw it. I just love these florals on here. They're so pretty. Oh my goodness, love that. That is my favorite thing ever. So I have that. And then I also have, just gonna grab my knife here to cut this ever so carefully. This is the Prima Amelia Rose collection, and this is the 6x6 pad. Oh my goodness, it is so pretty. I just love this collection. Oh, it's so gorgeous. So I think you get 2 of each. 32 sheets. So actually that one you get 1, 2, 3, you get 4. Okay. So so pretty. I love that vintage distressed look. The grid paper and that floral, so pretty. And the back of that's got kind of a distressed line on it. And then the numbers. And the back of that has another stripe. And then this one's kind of got tickets on it. And the back of it has a text, which is really cool. And that's neat. It has like a water stain on it in the back. It's like an order form. That's like chalk. That's cool. And the back has lines. And then that one's my favorite. I love that. I think I ordered the large sheet of that one. And then on the back is just a really tiny grid. So that's the Amelia Rose 6x6 paper pad. Also from that collection are these delicate little butterflies. Oh my goodness, these are so pretty. They just look so delicate. I want to take them out so that you can kind of see. Oh yeah, I've got a little layer there. So it's like cardstock. It's 2 layers of cardstock and then a layer of vellum that's stamped. And the cardstock underneath is printed with text on it so that it kind of looks vintage. Oh, those are so beautiful. Wish I had more of those. Okay, and then I got a few of the inserts for the notebook. Love those. And this one is mixed media paper, and it actually is a bigger one, so I don't think it fits in here, but that's okay because I have another traveler's notebook that this will fit into, and I just like the idea of the mixed media paper. So I don't know that this book would be something I'd use mixed media in anyways, but I'll just show you what this, oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, so this paper, I wish you could feel it, is so soft and smooth. Ooh, that's nice. So there's that kind of paper, and then, and it's relatively thin, and then there's really thick and heavy, and then there's vellum, gorgeous, and then there's craft, and this is like a thinner craft. So that's, you get 6 of those, so 3 sheets, and then more, and then of course the rest, the other side of these ones on this side. Oh my goodness, I love that so much. Oh, so fun. So there's that, and that, the price point on that is super cheap, $4.99 for that. I think that's really good. So then those other 2, which go with that traveler's notebook, they're the right size for that. And then also from the Amelia Rose collection, I picked up the puffy stickers, which are so pretty. So the florals, hearts, butterflies, a few word stickers, really sweet. And then the Amelia Rose stickers, and you get 2 sheets. You get 55 stickers altogether with that. So pretty with the rose gold accents. So different things like exploring nature, a beautiful day, feeling blessed, my whole heart, how we spend our days, collecting moments, so pretty, you are brilliant, I was born for adventure, take note, perfect day, creations, but first, vacation, our love is like, you're beautiful, hello weekend, bliss, inspire others, fearless, good day, I amaze myself. That makes me laugh. A sweet day, reservations, dreams, sweet, our journey begins, confidence, sing and dance, love without limits, like a lot of really neat sayings that it's not all just like best day ever kind of thing. So that's fun. Then I have the die cut pack, and you can see, oh, it's open on one end. Let's stick that back in there. The seal came loose on that one. But rose gold accents, and you get 66 pieces in there, and you can see all the different pieces. There's butterflies, little birds, there's phrase die cuts, florals, hearts, all kinds of fun stuff. Quite a bit of vintage looking stuff too, so very neat, super cool. Then I also got the chipboard stickers with that as well, and you get 2 sides to that. Just to open this up so you can see it without the glare on there. So really pretty with all the rose gold accents. Again, that bingo card. Some really cool florals, little bird. Then on the other one, really pretty butterfly again. Some more words and phrases. There's some frames. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 frames. Lovely. Love that. And also with that collection, I got some of the papers. And oh my gosh, you guys, look at the gold foil. Look at the rose gold foil on there. That is so pretty. That is stunning. I love that. Oh, that is so gorgeous. Oh yeah, and that purchase order paper, whatever. Oh, looks like chalk, kind of. So there's that one. And then there's this one. So I just love that foiling on there. That's so pretty. I don't know if you can, the camera is really picking that up, but it's so pretty. And then there's the dot on the back, the painty dot. Very pretty. And then the tickets. This one's called Ticket Collector. Gorgeous. And then kind of like the chalkboard back again on it. And then on the other side, and then this one is called Texture Lover. I love that script on there. And it's kind of like paint on a rough wood. Oh man, that's pretty. Gorgeous. And then a grid on the back. I feel like I might have ordered more than, oh, I didn't order more than one of these circles. I'm surprised that I didn't, because I really love this paper. I could have like 10 of these. I love that. And it's got the rose gold fleck in it. This piece of paper is perfection to me. I love this. So pretty. I love that painterly dot pattern. It kind of looks a little bit distressed. So gorgeous. And then that fine grid on the back. Really cool. And then the florals in this collection are just stunning with that rose gold. That's so pretty. And then the little bird in there. Love that. And on the back is the line. It almost looks like handwriting paper. Learning how to handwrite, which more of the children need to learn these days. Cursive handwriting. Oh, so pretty. Really nice. That one's called Good Luck. Oh, look at this one. Isn't that fun? It's like rose gold scribbles on a chalkboard background. It's called Lovely Scribbles. And then the lines on the back. So that is the patterned paper from the Amelia Rose collection. So pretty. Then I just got I also got the washi tape from that collection as well. So there's 3 washi's in this one. And it just says class notes. And you can just see that it's got, this one has that rose gold in it again. So those are really pretty. I should have fun with those. And let's see, what else? I think that was it from the Amelia Rose collection. Yeah, that's it. Then I just have some other odds and ends. Like I have these dimensional stickers from the Pebbles Patio Party collection. And I did buy most of this collection from Scrapbook Nerd in a, I think I might have showed that in a previous haul. Then I also got the box of crayons enamel dots from Chamel, which I just thought were adorable. I didn't buy anything else from that collection, but I really love these dots. Then I had to get this pivot pop-up die from Lawn Fawn. I'm really excited to use this. This is so cool. I'm gonna have to play around with it and figure out how it works, but it's gonna be fun. I also got this sentiment stamp set from My Favorite Things called Anything But Basic Birthday Wishes. And I love the combination of the fonts on this one. So cool. And I definitely don't have enough birthday sentiments, so I really love this. Commencing Happy Dance, Heck Yes, It's Your Birthday, Friends, Don't Let Friends Get Older Alone, Happy Me Day, Birthdays Look Great on You, Happy When You're Older Day, You Are So Worth Celebrating, You Were Born, I like that, Let's Pretend It's Still Your Birthday, so for a late birthday, which is cute. May You Outlast Your Usual Bedtime. Yeah, that would be perfect for me. You're not getting old, you're getting even more awesome, which is cute. Nothing goes better with cake than more cake, and Get Your Party On. So these are super cute. I am a huge My Favorite Things fan. One of my favorite companies out there, and I always love everything that they come up with, and those are super fun. I have been trying to complete my Vicki Bootson mixed media stuff, and I got the Creative Effects Rose Gold Glaze. I love this glaze of Vicki's. Whatever's in this formula, it's just so cool to work with. If you don't have any of her glazes yet, they are fantastic. And I'm just thinking, guys, can you imagine this rose gold glaze with this Amelia Rose collection? Hello. Hello, beautiful. Very nice. That'll be fun to work with. Also, I got, I am a huge fan of the Crafters Workshop stencils. If you've never purchased any before, I highly, highly recommend them. They're beautiful stencils. They're very nice to work with. They're really nice quality. And, you know, I love the 12 by 12 format because you can use them on smaller projects, but you can also use them as a background for a scrapbooking layout, and I just love that about them. So this is Balzer Designs. So it's, this one is called Circle of Jewels, and this is one that was designed by Julie Faifan Balzer. If you know Julie, she's amazing. Love all of her stuff, and her stencils are gorgeous. So this is one of her designs, and it's very nice. I love that, and I believe that is the end of my haul for today. I don't think I've forgotten anything. So thank you so much for sticking with me throughout my haul. And if you have any questions about Scrapbook Nerd, or you know, you're looking for the link to the shop, I will leave that in the description box below. Leave a comment on my video today if you have any questions, or you're wondering about any of the products, or you'd like to see me do something specific with some of the products. Please, yes, feel free to comment down below and let me know. I would love to hear from you, you guys, as always. And thanks so much for stopping by for my haul video today. I really appreciate it, and I will see you another time. Bye-bye.